The global financial system is a complex web of interconnected markets and institutions. But sometimes, a single event can trigger a chain reaction that puts the entire system at risk. The Bank for International Settlements, or BAS, is an international financial institution that plays a critical role in maintaining global financial stability. But a recent report from the BIS has highlighted a hidden threat to the system. The report warns of a potential crisis triggered by a sharp increase in debt levels among non-financial companies. This debt is often hidden from view, making it difficult for regulators and investors to track. The debt-to-equity ratio is a key metric that measures a company's level of indebtedness. When this ratio becomes too high, it can indicate a heightened risk of default. The BIS report shows that debt levels among non-financial companies have been rising steadily over the past decade. This increase in debt has been fueled by low interest rates and easy credit conditions. The buildup of debt in the system poses a significant systemic risk. If a large number of companies were to default on their debts, it could trigger a chain reaction of failures throughout the financial system. Regulators are beginning to take notice of this hidden threat. They are working to develop new tools and strategies to monitor and manage the risk of debt defaults. Macroprudential policy is a key tool that regulators can use to mitigate the risk of debt defaults. This involves taking a holistic approach to regulating the financial system, rather than focusing on individual institutions. The global financial system is interconnected, and a crisis in one part of the world can quickly spread to other regions. It's essential for regulators and investors to be aware of the hidden triggers that can spark a crisis. Global cooperation is critical in addressing the risk of debt defaults. Regulators and investors must work together to develop common standards and strategies for managing this risk. The next global financial crisis may be triggered by a hidden factor that has been overlooked by regulators and investors. It's essential to understand the mechanics behind this risk and to take proactive steps to mitigate it. The buildup of debt in the system poses a silent threat to the global financial system. It's a risk that is hiding in plain sight, and it's essential to take action to address it before it's too late.